Infrastructure development plays a pivotal role in fostering economic growth, enhancing connectivity, and improving the overall quality of life for citizens. The Ijebu to Ketu Ekpe 4-lane road construction project stands as a testament to Nigeria's commitment to modernizing its transportation network. The road is a crucial transportation corridor that links various urban centers, agricultural areas, and commercial hubs. This ambitious project aims to construct a modern 4-lane road connecting the towns of Ijebu and Ketu Ekpe, thereby fostering regional integration, boosting trade, and enhancing travel efficiency. Key features of the project: 4-lane design, quality infrastructure, modern interchanges, landscaping and aesthetics, pedestrian and cyclist facilities. Benefits: economic boost, time savings, job creation, real estate opportunities and investments, enhanced safety, tourism growth. The good news is that the Bulverton Estate nested within the Ketu Ekpe axis where the top infrastructures and developments are taking place. Its strategic location, potential for economic growth, enhanced connectivity, and proximity to tourist attractions will unlock the full potential of real estate investment. Make an investment with us today.